Hey guys, it's Bree. Yesterday we received a quest from a mysterious stranger. I'm still not sure who that is, by the way.
But I have been already thinking about making an aircraft. See, I've never actually built an aircraft before, but like, how hard would it be really? And like, sure, I've flown one and crashed it, but like, it'll be fine. Alright, so I've been looking at aircrafts for a little bit now, and I want to make a gyrodyne. So I'm gonna need a propeller, 2 sails, and 2 hulls. Meaning I'm going to need 12 carpets, 6 string, 6 iron with 12 logs, and 5 more iron. I can make this right now. I can make the propeller. What else can I make? Do I have wood? I only have 8. Alright, let's me sleep first, and then we can go gather the wood for it. Okay, it's logs or wood, so I can make that right now. I need 2 hulls, so let's do that. And then the sails are gonna be a little tricky, because I need to grab wool. And I only have 2 white wool. And I don't think I have access to shears yet. Let's check. I think that's under farming, which is level 5. And I'm level 2, but I have 1 point. So that means I gotta grind for a little bit more skill point. I need to grind a little bit more skill points, which shouldn't be too difficult. Let's go the hole behind my house, which is right here. I found it. It's fine. I knew where it was the whole time. Okay. I can now gather some redstone, which I'm going to need lots of eventually. So I'm just gonna gather that until I have enough levels.
Alright, got enough points, so let's add 2. And now my farming's at level 5, so I can make shears. And perfect, now let's shear sheep. Oh my god, this bee has a crown. Oh my god, look at it. It's so cute. Aww. Let's add string and carpets, and there's my 2 sails. So now I can make the gyrodyne. And there we go.
Okay, now that we have our gyrodyne, I think it is the perfect time to try it out and take my first flight. Alright, alright. Let's go! Dude, everything looks crazy up here. Look at the town! Whoa, everything looks like crazy up here. Wait, what? What was that? It looks like there's something in front of my house. Reward? It must be the reward for completing my quest. What? Armor? A slingshot? Nuggets of experience? Creative? These... Some goggles? Strength? I've been needing goggles. Wait, this is absolutely insane. Alright, I'm not at defense 10. I need defense 10 and strength 10. Also, I need to work on my archery a little bit. But that's something I can do at a later date. But I'm so excited. Well, thank you, mysterious quest gods, for delivering this beautiful reward. I wonder what's next in our journey.
Okay, now that we have the Gyrodyne, I think we can go even further away from the farm and explore.
But first, I think it should be daytime before I leave. So let me just... Alrighty. Everything is so beautiful up here. I love being able to fly. This is honestly like one of my favorite parts. You know, I wonder if we'll find anything cool or maybe someone else. I really haven't had the chance to talk to people outside of the farm. So it'd be really cool if I'm able to meet someone. Wait. Just making... I think I see some of my favorite flowers down here. I do. Okay. These are my absolute favorites. And I've been placing flowers I get in a bundle I have. Hopefully that... Oh. I think that's all the flowers around here. Alright. Perfect. Alright, let's continue on my way. Ooh, what is this cute area? Ooh, there's someone. Hello?
Hello, who are you?
I'm Bree. Who are you?
I'm Moose.
I was just exploring in my Gyrodyne and saw this cute little place.
In your what?
My Gyrodyne?
What is this? I've never seen something like this before.
Oh, it's just a little airship I made.
An airship?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
See? One second. I gotta power it up first. There we go.
Oh my god. I've never seen people fly before.
It's one of my favorite pastime activities.
Oh my gosh.
We don't talk about the times I've crashed.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
I'm glad you didn't crash into anything here.
Thank you.
So, I've never met anyone here before. It's
yeah, you're
interesting.
you're the first person I've come across since I moved into a farm, kind of like that way.
That, oh,
It's
is
kind
it
of
close?
no, it's very
Oh.
far from here.
And here I thought we could be neighbors.
Yeah.
So, I sell things.
Oh.
Would you be interested in anything?
I would be interested in stuff. Do you have anything
Well,
that...
that's great.
Oh.
Come on. So, have a look at our sheep. If you are in need of any pretty good wool, I should say it's very soft.
Okay. I do have some sheep near me.
Oh,
So I'm
well,
not currently in the market.
Hermes over here as I'm taking good care of them.
Hi. Hermes
That's
is
Hermes, my
adorable.
travel companion. My travel companion. He has a mind of his own.
Oh,
Just
okay.
wanders off sometimes. But he always comes back with good stuff, you know?
Ooh.
And then here, if you like to see, we have all kinds of stuff. We have food on this side, and you know, anything if you need protection, armor, weapons, everything on this side.
Ooh. So many options.
Yeah, is there anything in particular you're looking for?
I mean, I could always like use some food.
Well, then over here, we've got melons, we've got blueberries, we've got bread. Only the best bread in the world.
I mean, I like bread.
Then you're at the right place. It's homegrown, homemade. Very delicious
Ooh.
bread.
Yeah, so far I've been making my own bread and I'm not a great cook.
That's you should definitely learn how to cook.
Oh.
There's so many good things you can make.
Okay. See, I don't have a great history around like things that could potentially cause fires. So, I don't know if cooking is for me though.
Maybe not then if you're accident prone like that.
Yeah. So, would you have anything that potentially a tinkerer might be able to use?
Well, what? I've never met a tinkerer, so you would have.
Oh,
to be more
so like,
specific.
ores, zinc is a big one, andesite, stuff like that. Redstone,
Oh.
yeah.
Yeah, I have all kinds of ores. If you just look up here in this barrel.
Ooh, wait, this is perfect. I can always use more coal and copper and zinc. Zinc is perfect.
Well then, perfect. I would take a few emeralds for it. Or anything else you have.
I have some emeralds. Don't really have anything else. Do you want flowers?
Ooh, yes, flowers are always nice. I can use them to decorate.
Let
I
me
can use
just-
to grow bigger flowers.
I'm a
they're
bit
so
of a
pretty.
collector.
You don't say. There's so many.
And how many
Well,
emeralds are you thinking?
how many do you have? How many is
Fif-
this stuff worth it?
15.
How about 30?
15.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, I'll give you 20. I'll there.
Oh, thank you so much. That is very generous of you.
So do I just take what I want out of?
Just take what you want.
That good?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Well, it was very nice to meet you. It was very nice trading with you.
Yes, it was.
If you ever,
It was very nice.
if you ever need anything else,
Yeah.
just you know where I live.
Will do.
Well, I hope you have a safe flight to wherever you're going.
Thank you. Hopefully I will. Hopefully I don't crash again. I do have a history of crashing.
Uh-oh. Well, Don't crash.
As long as there's no thunderstorms, I should be good.
Oh, okay. Well, looks like a clear sky, so
Alrighty. Bye. Nice meeting you.
bye.
Adios. Farewell.
We are never.
Well, I don't know what they were saying, but well, that was fun. Surely there's not like a thunderstorm right now, right? Well, now I know there are other people who exist around here. And yeah, that was really fun. I like meeting other people. I wonder if no, I didn't get. I got a lot of ores. Did I scam them? I feel like I might have scammed them. I love how our farm looks from up here. And my house is so cute as well.
Well, it's been a very eventful day. We built an airship, finished my quest, went on an adventure, and met Moose. I think it's time to go to bed now and say goodbye. What's going on? Wait, what was that?